We get lots of questions asking about how to downgrade OnePlus 7 series from beta channel to stable channel. In this video, we'll show you how you can downgrade your OnePlus 7 series. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. As per the Chinese source, OnePlus 7 series won't be receiving any beta updates based on Android 10, which was mentioned on the Chinese forum, and the last beta which we have received for OnePlus 7 Pro was Open Beta 19. So here you can see I am running the latest Open Beta on my OnePlus 7 Pro, which is based on Android 10. We'll be soon receiving Open Beta based on Android 11 for OnePlus 7 series. Now talking about the downgrade process, all the download links are given in the description below, so make sure to download the exact file for your device. You'll find different regional files, so if you are an Indian user, then download the Indian file or global downgrade file. And also make sure to take the entire backup of your device, because downgrading from beta channel to stable channel will entirely wipe your data. Along with backup, make sure your device is charged more than 30%. I'll be including all the files for OnePlus 7 series, for example OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro and OnePlus 70 and 70 Pro. If any of the files don't work and you're not able to downgrade, then do let me know in the comment section below. So I've already taken the backup of my device, and once you download the file, you need to place that file inside the internal storage. So here you can see I have the full downgrade file for my OnePlus 7 Pro. And once you place this file inside your internal storage, you need to make sure whether this file format is in .zip, which means zip. If you download this file using your mobile, then this file format will be something like .zip.jar. You need to rename this file and remove .jar from the end, and then later save the file. So here file format is zip, so we can start the downgrade process. Once again, make sure to take a backup of your device and also make sure your device is charged more than 30%. After you have placed the file inside the internal storage, you need to go inside settings, system update. You need to tap on this gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you will find that downgrade file inside your local upgrade section. Tapping on it, you'll see a warning: the package you have selected will reset your device to factory default after installation. Tapping on confirm, installation process have been started, and it might take around 4 to 5 minutes. Once installation process is completed, you can reboot your device. Now your device will boot into recovery and perform a factory reset. So here you can see your device have been successfully booted up and downgraded. You can complete the initial setup. After completing the initial setup, let me show you the software information. And here you can see you will be downgraded to Android 9. And the build will be Oxygen OS 9.5.1. After you have been downgraded to Android 9, you can connect your device to Wi-Fi and check for the software update. Once you connect your device to Wi-Fi, you will be notified within software upgrade, which will be based on Android 10, and this way you can upgrade your device to the latest stable version of Android 10 on any of your OnePlus 7 series. If you don't get the OTA update, do let me know in the comment section below. I'll update the direct links of latest update. So guys, this way you can downgrade your any OnePlus 7 series device to stable channel from beta channel. If you still face any kind of issues, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.